Man needs entertainment simply to hide his madness. If he was perfectly sane, he would not need entertainment. To be human means you can mold situations you are living in the way you want them. Learning to listen is the essence of intelligent living. Confidence and stupidity are a very dangerous combination, but they generally go together. It is our impulsive reaction to the situations in which we are placed that causes stress. Unless you do right things, the right things will not happen to you. The only thing that stands between you and your well-being is a simple fact. You have allowed your thoughts and emotions to take instruction from the outside rather than the inside. The fear is simply because you are not living with life. You are living with your mind. In the vastness of the cosmos, everything is going perfect, but one nasty little thought in your mind can make it a bad day. This is lack of perspective. Believing means you have assumed something that you do not know. Seeking means you have realized that you do not know. Incredible things can be done simply if we are committed to make them happen. There is so much adventure that only a youth can experience. Youth is not the time to languish in pleasure. Youth is the time for exploration and adventure. Responsibility simply means your ability to respond. There is only one calamity, ignorance, and there is only one solution, enlightenment. Your ideas of good and bad are just a certain level of prejudice against life. Most people are investing their whole lifetime just for their material well-being. This is called dying to live. Things do not descend upon anything that is not ready to receive them. Being on spiritual path is not about making life pleasant. It's about seeing how to transcend both the pleasant and the unpleasant. Every opinion you have about anything can be a limiting identity. If you resist change, you resist life. If you are alone and getting bored, then you are obviously in bad company. The mind is a powerful instrument. Every thought, every emotion that you create changes the very chemistry of your body. When pain, misery or anger happen, it is time to look within you, not around you. Resentment, anger, jealousy, pain, hurt and depression are poisons that you drink but expect someone else to die. Life doesn't work that way. Most people take lifetimes to understand this simple truth.